What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here in Meigs County at the river house again. We're down here in this basement digging the footer. I got my main guy Dylan up here, his worker Alex. I got my homeowner Roy here. Everything's going good today, except we just hit a pre-existing footer on the property. We'll bust it out of here, no problem, but we've got the footer dug down in this basement. We're digging the footer right here. We've stepped it up, digging it right here for Roy's little shop. And then we're gonna step up to the upper level, lay out these piers, and finish off the footer on the main level of the house. And then we'll be ready for Alex to put the rebar in here tomorrow and get our concrete in. Let's go up here with Dylan and see what he's doing. So here it is, guys. Here's the pre-existing footer that Dylan's just found. We knew it was here. In one of the previous videos, we located this footer from the old house, and we didn't know if we were gonna cross paths with it and hit it or not, but we will get it out of here. It's not gonna be a problem. Our steel, rebar, everything just arrived to put in this footer. Got Dylan up here finishing up the front footer. Not really finishing it, but about halfway through the footer on the crawl space section of the house. He does have to pitch out a little bit early today. Got to go do some personal stuff that he's got to get taken care of, and we'll be finishing the rest of this footer in the morning. So let me walk you up here and let you look around at what he's already done. Got some of our piers dug right here. Got more piers coming through this section in the crawl space area. Let me show you the basement right here. All right, so we're gonna dig a little bit more right here. He's got to get out of here. We'll be back with you first thing in the morning to finish this footer up, get the steel in this thing, and get the concrete poured for this footer so we can move on to the next step. What's up, brother? What's up, guys? Day 2 out here at the river house digging the footer. I got out here a little late because I had to go rent the concrete saw, which we're about to cut this footer out, cut the old concrete footer out here. Dylan's already finished up the footings right here. Him and Alex are bending all this rebar, getting it set in here. And then once we get that concrete cut out, we got to dig a step down there. He's got to jump back down here in the basement, dig one more small spot that we failed to mark out where the stairs go. And then we'll put the steel in here and we'll be done with this footer, ready to get it inspected and the concrete flowing through it. So let me go up here and grab this concrete saw, and then you can watch us right here cut this out. And I'm gonna bring Dylan down here. We're gonna scrape out around this footer area right here that I showed y'all yesterday so that I can run the saw on the edges of it, and then we'll pull that baby out of here, and then he'll dig in the rest of that footer and put our step down. So stay tuned, it's about to go down. Hey, start this thing. All right, you saw it. That Yanmar right there just ripped that thing out of the ground after I sawed through it. We got Alex over here putting the rebar in the garage area. Dylan's come down here. We're putting just a little bit of slope on this footer. We got just a little bit of rainwater off in there. We're gonna let that flow out so we can pump it out before we pour the footers tomorrow or Wednesday, not sure when they're coming. But then they're gonna jump down here and put the rebar, shoot the grade, put all the grade stakes in the bottom. See the footer all the way out through here. Here's the basement wall. This is the back basement wall here. Then we're gonna have 14 foot of concrete right here. Then we'll have a retaining wall that slopes on down. And the actual house line will equal this. We're gonna have a porch up here, and then this daylights out for a patio recreation area where the customers can look out over the river, their dock, and beautiful area they're gonna create out there. All right, guys, Dylan's guy, Alex, and the other guy were out here, and they got all of the steel completely finished in this footer down here. And in the morning, we're gonna have the inspector come out here and inspect this footer like I was telling you, pass it, and then we'll get the pump truck and the concrete truck out here, and we'll pour that in the next video. You don't want to miss that. It's going to be cool, and we'll show how the concrete goes in the pump truck, how that they pour all this. It'll be a pretty cool video. But I appreciate y'all watching my video. If you're new to the channel, go down there, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see y'all in the next video.